Welcome. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to Discord, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to permanently delete your Discord account. Whether you're looking for a digital detox or simply want to move on, I'll make sure the process is quick and easy. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will bring up your user settings and a menu with several options. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Settings. Tap on it to open up more options related to your account and preferences. Now, locate and select the account option. This is where all your personal information and account management tools are stored. Take a moment to make sure you're ready to delete your account, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you have any servers you own, you'll need to transfer ownership or delete them before you can proceed. Once you're sure, look for the Delete Account button. Tap it, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. This step is important for security reasons, ensuring that only you can delete your account. After entering your password, you'll see a confirmation screen. Double-check that you're ready to go through with this, and then tap Confirm. Your account will be scheduled for deletion, and you'll be logged out of Discord. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Discord account. Remember, it may take a little while for all your data to be removed from Discord's servers, but you won't be able to log back in with the same account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.